Hey guys, welcome back to Cocktail Vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we are making a Moon River, a delicious cocktail that was created in early 2000s in Southeast Asia. I don't know who the creator is. It's not difficult to make, 5 ingredients but nothing too complicated. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. So this is a gin based cocktail, so we're going to start with gin, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Followed by Cointreau, 15 ml, half an ounce. Next is Apricot brandy or Apricot Liqueur, 15 ml, half an ounce. Followed by Galliano, 1/4 ounce, 7.5 ml. And last, half an ounce, 15 ml, fresh lemon juice. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds, like always. Beautiful. Now we need a pre-chilled glass. Discard the ice. And we are going to double strain the cocktail, because like always you don't want small pieces of ice and fruit in your drink. Garnish with a Maraschino Cherry. Just drop it in. That's it, ladies and gentlemen, Moon River. Cheers! Ooh, it's nice. Perfect balance. It's not too sweet, not too sour. It's perfect. You can taste herbs from gin, you can taste Cointreau, you can taste apricot, you can taste even a little bit of Galliano. This is definitely nice. Try it. That's it, ladies and gents. One more real easy, real simple cocktail, Moon River. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Try to make it and give me some feedback in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. Like always, thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.